So we're always trying to evolve how people can engage with ballet and dance and the arts, and therefore what our role and responsibility is in ensuring that we can attract or engage with a wide group of people.
This is our third Family Fun Day event in partnership with Cardiff and Vale University Health Board, and it is part of our Dance to Move project for young children and families with juvenile arthritis.
We were actually approached for this project by Joanna May, who works at Cardiff and Vale University Health Board. She's such an incredible force, and she recognised that in her clinic times, she wasn't really having time to work with families in a holistic way. It was all about the medication and the treatment, and she really felt that the families were possibly feeling quite isolated, and as well as the young people that were being affected. So Joanna was amazing. She sort of approached Ballet Cymru and she said, I've heard about the work that you do. We'd gone and done some work in her child's school and really liked the approach that it was to do with dance, of course, but it also was looking at all the other creative work that goes into sort of putting on a production.
We put a programme together which we thought really was going to be all about the children, dancing, gaining confidence and learning how to perform. But actually what happened along the way was, in some respects, quite unexpected. And it became less about the performance and more about us all coming together as families. And so now we have these family days where the paediatric rheumatology team come in with their families, and the children come with their parents and their brothers and sisters, and really what happens then is we all do stuff together.
The day is full of activities, including drawing workshops with our resident artist, Carl Chappell, dance taster workshops with me and some of the dancers, and also costume creative crafts where they're going to make their own crowns ready for a performance later on in the day. There's also mindfulness with Tim Anfield from Mindful Families for the parents and the adults. And the children this afternoon will join me and the professional dancers to create a piece based on Ballet Cymru's repertoire, ready to show at the end of the day.
This really brings something that we cannot achieve as clinicians inside a hospital. This takes it to a completely different level.
Approach it in a slightly different way. What did you say about?
We were saying that we were really present in the moment of each task. So for example, actually what you're talking about, it was about being on autopilot. There's no senses there, no feeling there. It's just something that you had to do. It's like getting from one destination to another. When you're driving, you don't know how you've got there, but you have.
Even though we're doing the same task, it was different. It was a different emotion added to the task. I'm waffling now.
Yeah, no, but that's a massive insight, isn't it? So how we approach something.
I do think it has helped relationships. I think it helps communication with parents. It gives us the opportunity to think about our patients and their families in the context of their lives and not just related to that short time that we have.
Oh, wow.
Would you like to hold it?
Oh yeah. Shall I pose next to it?
The benefits have been, tremendous really, because Sophia gets time to switch off from her day-to-day life and do something different with other children that have the same condition as her. She has problems with her joints and things, and she has to have regular treatment, so coming to an event like this can give her a bit of normality.
Can I just show everyone this one here? I really love how you've shown so clearly that this arm is coming forward, and that it's not just the arms aren't like this. That there's this diagonal angle going on. It's really beautifully observed. Well done.
The clinic is quite restrictive in time, so when we come to these events, there's no time restriction. We just treat them like a family really, and just get a chance to voice our worries and, our experiences, and have some fun together as well.
I'm here today because Noah's Ark Children's Hospital has invited me to come to the Ballet Cymru event, and also it's very inclusive and it's a place to make friends. It's a nice and a fun way to get my exercises done. I've become friends with some of the younger children, the doctors' children, some of them, and the nurses. So it's been very, very nice. A nice way to let your hair down.
We wanted guidance. We hadn't worked with young people who present with arthritis, chronic pain and musculoskeletal conditions. So I suppose we entered with a bit of trepidation. We wanted to make sure we weren't going to be causing more harm than good. So we organised a day here which involved some of the patients that Joanna works with and her support staff and Ballet Cymru staff. And it was kind of an exploration of, well, what can we offer? How beneficial is this going to be? Are people going to enjoy it? And that day was really, really successful. And then we did another one. And then we were thinking that we could make this more of an event. And sort of take the learning forward. So we made an application to Arts Council Wales for their Arts and Health programme, and we got funding to run 3 projects. So we've done one in Carmarthen, one in Cardiff, and now the final one today is in Newport. We've got a fantastic evaluator, Claire Turner, who has been coming in and sort of walking alongside with us and helping us understand the impact of this work. And we're really hoping that through the evidence and the case study that we're creating from this, that it might be the catalyst for something to grow and develop.
So it's my role to get underneath the skin of the project and talk to all the people involved, work out the things we want to measure and understand about what interventions like this can provide for families. Families have told us how important it is for them to come together because they're in what can feel like a very isolating set of circumstances with their young people. So actually for them to meet with other families, share experiences, share tips, for the young people to meet together. And some of the young people have told us that it's nice for them to feel normal and to do something normal alongside children of their own age, and that that's not always the case. So those are kind of some of the really big headlines that are coming out at this point about why this feels important.
I have to do exercises and I do have to have injections sometimes, but I've gotten used to them because I've had arthritis since I was 3 to 4 years old. Sometimes when I'm walking too much it hurts me, so I need to take a break, and then when it starts, like I can feel it's not hurting anymore, so I can go then. But I need to take a break sometimes. So. It's made me feel happy that other people have the condition that I have, and I met the people. I want to say thank you to Ballet Cymru.
We look in the middle, and we look really up high.
Since I've had arthritis, it's been kind of hard, but when you start exercising, it helps you. So in Ballet Cymru, you do lots of moves, dancing moves, and it kind of helps your joints for the people who have arthritis out there.